Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about how can you start investing. Let's get into the video. So what is investing? Investing is the act of allocating resources, generally money, with the goal of creating an income or profit. Therefore, how can you start investing? The first stage is to determine your financial objectives as well as how much money you have to invest and how much risk you are ready to take. This will assist you determine your asset allocation and the kind of investments you should make. You would have to be familiar with the many sorts of investing accounts and their tax implications. To begin investing, you do not require a large sum of money. Start modestly with 401k contributions or even a mutual fund purchase. If you want to learn how to invest your money, please check out my course on how to invest your money below the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.